Building an answer hub. Architectures that surface in AI summaries. Modern AI answers, like ChatGPT or search chat tools, favor well-structured content that clearly answers a question in one place. An answer hub is a single web page, the hub, with linked subpages, the spokes, that cover a topic comprehensively. Instead of many scattered blog posts, one hub page with organized sections helps AI find and cite the complete answer. For example, experts note that AI tools want one single, trustworthy page that covers a topic end-to-end. In practice, a good hub might include a clear definition, key steps, benefits, drawbacks, FAQs, and useful tools, like calculators. AI search prioritizes clarity and structure over quantity. Studies show that AI models often cite content that is broken into short, logical chunks and placed early in the text. Nearly half of LLM, large language model citations, come from the first third of an article. In other words, put the answer first. Front-load the main claim or answer in the opening lines, then support it with details. One guide explains this as answer-first style. Stating the conclusion up front gives AI the key insight immediately. After the opening, use headings, bullet points, or tables to keep sections short and scannable, which makes it easy for AI to pull out facts. The hub and spoke model. A proven way to organize content is the hub and spoke, or topic cluster model. This means one hub page links to many subtopic pages, and each subpage links back to the hub. Knowledge-base designers and SEO experts alike recommend this layout. For example, a content architecture guide explains one comprehensive high-level page, the hub, links to several subtopic articles, spokes. Each subtopic article links back to the hub and possibly to each other where relevant, forming a web of related content. This structure gives AI a clear map of your site's expertise. Search engine advice adds that linking related pages as a cluster signals to search engines that your site is an authority on the topic. In practice, create your hub page as a topic overview and each spoke page for a specific question or detail. Hub page layout and content. The hub page should start with a clear title, H1, naming the topic, and a brief introduction or definition. Immediately answer the main question in the first sentence or paragraph. Answer first style. For example, state X is, or this guide explains how to, right away. Below the intro, include a table of contents or quick jump links, anchor links, for each major section. These anchor-rich headings help readers and AI find sections quickly. In practice, a linked table of contents boosts usability. Clicking an anchor jumps to that heading. Next, organize the hub's content into clear modules. Each module should begin with its own heading, H2, H3, etc., and contain concise, focused information. Use bullet points, short paragraphs, and tables to make content scannable. The goal is to help AI easily identify and cite individual sections. This approach makes your content more discoverable and valuable to both human users and AI, etc. And an answer-first opening. Because AI prefers listicles and bullet points, use sublists and concise paragraphs. For example, one strategy is to break the page into sections like, what is X? Who needs X? How X works? Steps to do X? Risks, considerations, and next steps. An SEO guide on answer hubs notes a well-structured resource often covers exactly these facets. Wherever possible, include bullet lists or numbered steps rather than long text blocks. Short sections with clear headings make it easy for an AI assistant to chunk the content and extract relevant answers. Example hub sections. Definition. Start by clearly defining the topic in simple terms. This reinforces context and keywords. Scope. Explain who the topic applies to and who it doesn't, and outline what the page will cover. How it works. Steps. Provide a step-by-step explanation or process. Numbered lists, 1, 2, 3, are especially AI-friendly. Pros and cons. List advantages and disadvantages, or compare alternatives. These concise comparisons help AI form balanced answers. Tools/calculators. If relevant, embed or link to an interactive tool, e.g. a calculator or template. Practical tools add value and can get cited, though specific examples vary. Examples/scenarios. Give a few brief scenarios or use cases that illustrate the topic. Common questions, FAQs, include a short FAQ section. AI often mirrors Q&A patterns, and schema markup, FAQ page, can highlight these sections if they follow a question-answer format. Next steps resources. Finishing with clear further reading or related links helps guide both readers and AI on where to look next. When writing these sections, remember answer first. For instance, an opening sentence like an answer hub is a structured page that covers all main questions about a topic, immediately gives AI the key information. Then fill in the details below. This inverted pyramid approach keeps the main answer up front and follows with supporting facts, which is favored by retrieval-based AI. Spoke page structure. Each subpage, spoke, should focus tightly on one subtopic or question. The spoke's layout should echo the hub's style but on a narrower scale. Typically, a spoke page begins with an H1 title naming the subtopic, a short intro or definition that includes a link back to the hub. In fact, experts suggest starting the first screen with a sentence like, as defined on hub topic page, X refers to linking hub topic page with the hub's exact title. This orients the reader and AI to the larger context. A clear answer or explanation right away, possibly followed by details or steps. Below the intro, break the content into sections with descriptive headings. Use bullets or numbered lists for clarity. At the end or within the content, if relevant, provide links to related subtopics. For example, add 2 to 4 see also, or sibling links with anchor text, like next steps Y or compare with Z. SEO guidelines specifically advise adding links between related talks, called siblings. Across spokes, 2 to 4 sibling links, where the reader naturally pivots, alternatives, vs, next steps. This allows an AI or user to easily jump to the next relevant page. Linking playbook. Internal linking is crucial. Follow a clear linking playbook. Hub, spokes on the hub page. Give each spoke, subtopic page at least 2 links, one prominent link above the fold, and another contextual link in the intro or body. For example, feature a list or grid of topic cards at the top, linking to each spoke. Spokes hub. On each spoke page, include a backlink to the hub near the top. Use the hub's exact page title as the anchor text. For example, for an overview of this topic, see our Comprehensive Guide to X, where Comprehensive Guide to X is the hub's title and links back. Sibling links. Within each spoke, add 2 to 4 links to other related spokes. Or next steps, where it makes sense. For instance, compare this with topic Y, or also see topic Z. This helps AI see alternate angles and next questions. Headings as anchors. Wherever possible, make headings descriptive. In practice, you can even link a table of contents item anchor to a section heading on the same page, which improves usability. These anchor links, like a clickable contents list, help machines and people navigate. Anchor text. Keep anchor text natural and focused on intent. Experts recommend an anchor taxonomy. Use words that indicate the page type, e.g. guide, checklist, comparison, rather than stuffing every link with keywords. Balance. Hubs may link broadly across many spokes, but spokes should link sparingly to avoid dilution. A spoke should not link to dozens of pages, just the most relevant 3 to 5. This preserves focus. Following these rules spreads link juice through the hub and spoke network. Search experts emphasize that thoughtful internal linking shows search engines your site covers a subject thoroughly. It also lets AI walk the content graph. Well-placed links mean an AI answer engine can jump from hub to spokes and back confidently. Navigation and wireframe guidelines. Design your site navigation to match this structure. A few key rules. Simple hierarchy. 3-click rule. Keep every hub or spoke no more than 3 clicks from the homepage. In ideal sites, home is level 1. Hubs or category pages are level 2. And individual articles are level 3. Google's crawlers like this flat structure. Pages buried deeper may be seen as less important. Breadcrumbs. Use breadcrumb trails, e.g. home, topic hub, subtopic on pages. Breadcrumbs with structured data help AI understand where each page sits in the hierarchy. Clear URLs. Build URLs that mirror the content path. For example, AI marketing/compare is better than cryptic query codes. An AI guide notes that crawlers rely on URLs to grasp hierarchy. Use descriptive pathwords and avoid gibberish. Navigation menus. Include major hubs in your main navigation or sidebar. Use 5 to 7 top menu items. Common design guideline with clear labels. Uniform navigation on all pages helps both users and AI know the site's layout. Wireframe sketch. For the hub page, imagine a typical wireframe block. At the top, a big title and intro, then a grid or list of key subtopics, each with a link, followed by organized content sections. On spokes, a header and intro with backlink, then the detailed content and perhaps a sidebar or footer block titled Related Topics or Next Steps with sibling links. Keeping this visual map consistent makes the architecture obvious. In practice, you would sketch these out as diagrams. By following these navigation rules, you create a maintainable sitemap that both users and AI can browse. For example, one AI-friendly design guide suggests AI needs a clear sitemap and consistent menus so it can understand context from links and URLs. A flat, well-linked structure ensures your content is discoverable and scalable. Putting it together, an effective answer hub is a centralized resource on a topic. It should be easy for a visitor or an AI bot to answer initial questions. Am I in the right place? And then quickly navigate to details. Key points include: answer first, structured content. Start with the answer. Use short sections, bullet lists, and clear headings so an AI can extract key information. Hub and spoke linking. Connect the hub and its subpages with consistent internal links as described. This guides AI through the topic. Rich headings and anchors. Use headings with relevant keywords and provide anchor links, table of contents wherever feasible. Comprehensive sections include modules for definition, steps, pros, cons, FAQs, etc. We tested content with these blocks and found they often appear in generated answers. AI engines often include such lists or examples in their responses if they exist on the page. Navigation consistency. Keep every page reachable in a few clicks. Use clear URLs and menus, and include breadcrumbs. This flat, logical sitemap helps AI recognize topic structure. Together, these practices form an IA playbook for answer hubs. By building modular, well-linked hubs, your site becomes a resource that AI tools naturally surface. As one SEO agency pithily puts it, instead of lots of scattered blogs, focus on comprehensive governed answer hubs, which is faster and more effective for AI visibility. In summary, design your content as modular topic pages. Each hub page introduces a topic and links out to detailed guides. Each guide loops back. Use clear, descriptive headings and anchor links, and chunk answers into lists when possible. Following this architecture, with hubs, anchor-rich sections, and dense but meaningful linking, ensures that when an AI assistant or search feature looks for answers, your content is easy to crawl, extract, and cite. All links to sources are available in the text version of this article. You can find the full article at autopod.co. Thanks for listening.